All right, let's get things over to Tracy Humphrey, tracking the latest on our drought conditions, our fire weather conditions, really a busy weather day.
Yeah, you name it, we got it, unfortunately. Let's take a look at just how hot it got today. We got the upper 90s in Stockton and Modesto, 99 degrees in Sacramento. Triple-digit highs up on the northern end of the valley with 101 in Oroville, 102 in Marysville. Mid to upper 90s coming in through the foothills, and I got 89 degrees in South Lake Tahoe and 90 in Truckee. That is warm for them. So for the weather headlines, triple-digit temperatures. That was today's forecast. Tomorrow, temperatures back off about 4 to 5 degrees. So not as hot, but this is really what I'm focused on. Critical fire weather returning back into the forecast. We have a red flag warning. It begins 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday. It will run through 8 o'clock on Thursday night. And of course, the major concern is that red flag warning is in the same vicinity, the same area as the Dixie fire. So we have the Tamarack fire. We have Beckworth Complex. That one's done, but that's the red shading that you see here, the burn scar area for that. And then you have the Dixie fire, which is near Quincy on this map. Now we take a look at the red flag warning, and we also have a fire weather watch. You're probably thinking, okay, what's the difference between the two? Well, let's carve it out. Fire weather watch means conditions could exist for high fire danger. Red flag warning means we are more likely to see those conditions happen. They will be within the next 24 hours, and fuels are at least at 80% humidity, extremely dry at least for 10 hours. Conditions as well, low humidity, strong winds, as well as, again, dry fuels. When can you expect the conditions? Again, 1 o'clock in the afternoon Wednesday to 8 o'clock on Thursday night. Low humidity ranging from 7 to 20%, winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. And the time frame for this event, up to 19 hours. So that is the concern. So if you do live in any of those places with the red flag warning, you do need to have an evacuation plan in place for you as well as for your family. That fire weather watch is going to be in effect for the Tahoe area, and where we have the Tamarack fire. Again, conditions could exist, winds gusting up to 40 miles per hour. That's going to be late Wednesday into Thursday night. The duration of time for that event is about 10 hours. So here we are right now, still pretty hot outside, upper 90s in Sacramento, triple digits still in Marysville and Oroville. Still pretty warm, comparatively speaking, versus the same time yesterday. And now we'll take a look at the end of July skies, sent in by Patrick Gavin Duffy. It's a nice name. If you have a nice photo you'd like to share, you can always upload it to the ABC 10 app. Now we'll take a look at some of the afternoon highs tomorrow. 93 in Twain Harte, 94 in Placerville, 97 in Auburn, and mild in the overnight. Most of these locations will be in the 70s for overnight lows. Tahoe for the next 5 days, upper 80s coming in for Wednesday. Temperatures backing off just a little Thursday and Friday, closer to the 80-degree mark. 62 in San Francisco, 67 in Oakland, 77 in San Jose, near 80 degrees down in Gilroy, near 90 in Fairfield as well as in Antioch. And then we hit the valley floor with upper 90s for Turlock, upper 90s for Patterson, 94 in Manteca. But look at the morning, 59. That is nice. That's all because of that slight onshore breeze that comes in the early morning hours. 101 for Woodland, 94 in Sacramento, 97 in Folsom, 93 in Galton. You can see 102 in Oroville and 101 in Yuba City. So Sacramento will not be as hot tomorrow, but for the northern end of the valley, no promises there. You're still going to be pretty hot. So afternoon highs in the mid-90s for Wednesday. Temperatures back off Thursday, but that's fool's gold. We're back near 100 degrees Friday and Saturday.
Oh.